Narito po muli si Nurse Dodong at nagsasabing magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Napanood ko po ang mga scan sa Pilipinas at talagang buwis buhay ang kanilang tungkulin. Handang tumulong sa oras ng kaguluhan at panganib. Lalo na sa mga lindol, pagbaha at pagsunog sa iba't ibang sangay ng ating bansa sa Pilipinas. The SCAN International, or Society of Communicators and Networkers International of the Iglesia Ni Cristo INC, is a group of volunteers members who provide vital communication assistance, particularly during emergencies, natural disasters, and church events. They often work behind the scenes, ensuring safety, communication, and coordination using radio systems and other technology. Their dedications, discipline, and willingness to serve without seeking any recognition reflect core Christian values of service. Maraming salamat po, SCAN International, sa inyong walang sawang serbisyo at dedikasyon. Thank you, SCAN, for always being ready to serve, rain or shine, day or night. To the brethren in SCAN International, your vigilance and selflessness inspires us all. Thank you again for your service. We're extending our sincerest gratitude to all of you, members of the SCAN Iglesia Ni Cristo. Your unwavering commitment to ensuring safety, order, and communications in all conditions reflects the spirit of true Christian service. Thank you for being the silent, yet the strong backbone during emergencies and special gatherings. May God continue to bless your efforts. Isinaisan tabi po ninyo ang inyong sariling kapakanan. Mailigtas lamang po ang ating mga kapatid at ating mga kababayan. Muli, ito po si Nurse Dodong at nagsasabing magandang araw po muli at maraming salamat sa lahat ng suporta.